What's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who crave power, style, and innovation. Today we're diving deep into a machine that blends heritage with modern engineering, the 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod. This isn't just another review, it's a story about how a legend from the golden age of muscle cars has been reborn to thrive in the modern automotive world. Buckle up, because this car isn't here to whisper, it's here to roar. The Mustang Fastback has always been one of the most iconic silhouettes in American muscle history, and the 2026 Restomod takes that legacy to the next level. From the outside, you're instantly reminded of the classic 1969 lines, the aggressive long hood, the sweeping fastback roof, and that wide, intimidating stance. But Ford didn't stop at nostalgia. The Restomod introduces sharper aerodynamics, carbon fiber enhancements, and a modern lighting system that includes dynamic LED headlights and sequential taillights. It's a design that balances old-school attitude with future-ready precision, a perfect fusion of past and present. Under the hood, this beast comes alive with a twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers an earth-shaking 750 horsepower. This isn't just raw power, it's a meticulously engineered system built for performance on both the street and the track. Advanced suspension geometry, adaptive dampers, and a finely tuned chassis ensure that every ounce of horsepower is translated into control, confidence, and thrilling speed. The Mustang Restomod isn't just about acceleration, it's about dominance, whether you're carving through corners or launching down a straightaway. The growl of the exhaust reminds you that this is still, at its heart, a true muscle car. Step inside, and you'll discover a cabin that respects history but embraces the future. Classic round gauges meet fully customizable digital displays, giving you the feel of a 60s cockpit with the brains of 2026 technology. High-quality materials like leather and Alcantara wrap the seats and steering wheel, while the center console houses both retro-inspired toggle switches and a sleek touchscreen interface. Modern conveniences like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Adaptive Cruise, and selectable drive modes make this a car you could daily drive, yet it never lets you forget its racing DNA. What makes this Restomod so special is its dual personality. At a car show, it draws admiration for its timeless design, turning heads with its classic lines and modern touches. On the track, it unleashes its fury, proving it has the muscle to compete with contemporary sports cars and supercars. Few vehicles manage to strike this balance so effortlessly. This Mustang does it with pride. It's not just a weekend cruiser, it's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and an adrenaline machine all rolled into one. For longtime enthusiasts, this is a dream come true, because it proves that the spirit of the 1969 Fastback is alive and well. For younger fans, it's proof that muscle cars can evolve and still keep their identity intact. And for collectors, it's a masterpiece that blends artistry, engineering, and cultural significance. The 2026 Mustang Fastback Restomod isn't just a car, it's living history reimagined for the future. Here at Car Trend, we see this Restomod as more than a vehicle. It represents the core of what makes car culture so powerful, honoring the past while looking boldly toward the future. It's the kind of car that keeps the legend of American muscle alive, roaring louder and stronger than ever before. Whether you're here for the design, the power, or the innovation, one thing is certain, the 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod is proof that legends don't die, they evolve, and when they return, they come back bigger, bolder, and more unforgettable.